Hi everyone, I'm Carol and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you a 2-ingredient amazingly effective face mask that will completely transform your skin by removing all the acne, blemishes and breakouts, and will leave your skin clear and supple. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. I hope this video will be helpful, and if it's helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started.
First you need to take 1 tablespoon of oats in a clean bowl. For this you need to add some warm water. Then you need to mix it really well till the oats becomes soft and the water turns white. You can add more water if it's necessary. Then for this you need to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and then mix it really well. Then you need to keep this aside for 5 minutes before applying it on your face. Now put all your hair backwards, or you can even tie it using a rubber band. Then by using any beauty brush or even a makeup brush, apply 1 layer of whatever you have prepared. You actually need to apply 3 layers of this mask. So apply layer by layer. So this is the first layer. Let it dry a little bit, and then it's time to apply the second layer. Apply it all over your face evenly. While you're applying, remember to leave the area around your eyes. Let it dry for some time. And then apply 1 more layer. This is the last layer that you will be applying. Apply it all over your face evenly. Once it's dry, you need to take a cloth and scrub it like this without using any water. But if your skin is sensitive, skip this step and then directly go and wash your face with cold water. But if your skin is not that sensitive, it's good if you do this step. Once it's done, you need to rinse it off with cold water. This is how your skin will look just after one use of this mask. For best results, you need to use it twice a week.
So guys, if you really like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and do follow me on my Instagram at Carol_Alisha, and then I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.